Remember when we covered the killer robot dogs from Twitter? Well, they fly now. In the latest video, a Chinese defense contractor has apparently crossbred a drone with a robot dog, resulting in this monstrosity. The video is accompanied with a comment, "Dogs of war descending from the sky," and as you can see, the description is fairly accurate. This video is essentially a showcase of the most recent achievement in combat robotics and reconnaissance tools. Kestrel Defence, the Chinese defense contractor, seems to put a lot of expectations onto this combination of robots, claiming that they can be used to assault enemies from behind or occupy commanding heights to suppress firepower. While the details of the project are scarce beyond what can be seen in the video, it is clear that the concept was developed for urban battle and comes as tensions between mainland China and Taiwan continue to soar. This display of robotics application in warfare has already raised concerns. The world's leading robotics companies, including Boston Dynamics and China-based Unitree, both known for their dog-like robots, called against the weaponization of their general-purpose products in an open letter last week. The letter claims that the new generation of robots would provide benefits to society, but also, and I'm quoting, "untrustworthy people could use them to invade civil rights, or to threaten, harm, or intimidate others."